Well, we're back at Acorn Ridge. I don't have it all set up because this is the first time the Discovery has been at Acorn Ridge. And I had gotten some new shoes for it, some new rims and tires. They're smaller. These are 4.7s and the ones I got are 4.5s on 1.9s. So I'm going to run it with the factory rims and tires on it. Then I'll put the smaller ones on and see how it does. But it's really hard to decide on the different tires because these do so good. I'm very happy with the factory tires and rims on this. And on top of that, Acorn Ridge has grown up a little bit. Well, and we're down. Crater Hill is no joke. Crater Hill will get you. All right, let me get these tires swapped out and then we'll try it again, and then y'all let me know in the comments which ones y'all like best. So this is the tire size difference between that one and that one. So I'm really curious to see how they do. Leave a comment. What do you think? You like the back ones or the front ones? What do you think? I'm definitely hitting bottom a lot. These smaller tires definitely, I lost a lot of ground clearance. See, down between the ridge. I'm definitely hitting every rock. Definitely look more scale for sure, but performance, I've lost a lot of performance, especially on this little course here. I don't know how it'd be actually on the trail like Floyd's Fork Frontier, but here it's definitely struggling. Still doing it, but it's struggling. This spot here gets all the trucks. It doesn't matter what truck it is. This spot gets them all. Yeah, I want to help it. Well, this will be a first. I've crashed off the end of it. Yeah. So what do y'all think? Keep it more scale or keep it more functional?